Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the enchanting realm of the goddesses of the world oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of goddess Aphrodite, renowned as the Greek goddess of love, beauty, and grace. Part 1. Significance of goddess Aphrodite. What does Aphrodite represent in mythology? Aphrodite, the captivating goddess of love and beauty in Greek mythology, emerges from the foaming waves with an ethereal allure and timeless grace. With her enchanting presence and magnetic charm, she embodies the intoxicating power of desire and the profound mysteries of human connection. Aphrodite, the embodiment of love, stands as a testament to the transformative and passionate forces that shape our lives. Aphrodite is often depicted as a radiant figure, emanating an aura of sensuality and allure. Her flowing hair, the color of spun gold, cascades down her back, symbolizing the captivating nature of physical beauty. Her eyes, sparkling like sapphires, hold the depths of desire and irresistible attraction. Aphrodite, the captivating goddess of love and beauty, invites mortals to embrace the profound and transformative nature of love. Through her symbols and teachings, she teaches the importance of cultivating love and desire, nurturing relationships, and embracing the beauty within and around us. Part 2. Archetypal qualities of Aphrodite. The allure of Aphrodite. Unveiling the multifaceted archetype of beauty, love, and creativity. The archetypal qualities of the goddess Aphrodite encompass a multifaceted embodiment of beauty, love, sensuality, creativity, and harmonious relationships. Revered for her unmatched physical attractiveness, she symbolizes the epitome of beauty itself. As the personification of love, passion, and desire, she serves as an inspiration for affection and the forging of romantic connections. Aphrodite also embodies sensuality, encouraging the exploration and enjoyment of physical pleasure. In addition, she is associated with artistic expression, stimulating creativity in various forms such as poetry, music, and visual arts. Furthermore, Aphrodite promotes harmonious relationships, fostering love, understanding, and deep connections between individuals, emphasizing the importance of empathy and meaningful bonds. As an archetype, Aphrodite represents the transformative power of love, the celebration of beauty, and the pursuit of creative expression, enriching the human experience and inspiring profound connections. Part 3. Symbols associated with goddess Aphrodite. The symbolic icons of Aphrodite: doves, roses, and seashells. Aphrodite is often associated with the dove, a sacred bird associated with love and peace, which serves as a prominent symbol representing her benevolent and nurturing nature. Roses, with their delicate petals and enchanting fragrance, symbolize the blossoming of love and desire, reflecting Aphrodite's role as the bringer of passion and affection. The seashell, born from the ocean depths, is also associated with Aphrodite, representing her connection to the sea and the elemental forces of creation. Part 4. The story of goddess Aphrodite. Aphrodite's enchantment, the radiant goddess of Mount Olympus. Once upon a time, in the ethereal realm of Mount Olympus, resided a goddess of unparalleled beauty and captivating allure. She was Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty, whose very presence invoked feelings of desire and adoration among mortals and gods alike. Aphrodite was born from the sea foam. Emerging from the frothy waves, she embodied the essence of love, radiating grace and enchantment. She possessed an otherworldly charm that captivated the hearts of all who encountered her. Her celestial abode was adorned with exquisite flowers and lush gardens, where she would spend her days surrounded by celestial attendants. These ethereal beings, epitomizing elegance and refinement, danced and sang in harmonious celebration of love under Aphrodite's watchful gaze. But Aphrodite's life was not without trials and tribulations. Her beauty and desirability often sparked jealousy and rivalry among the gods. She found herself at the center of many conflicts and battles, as gods vied for her favor and mortals sought to possess her. However, Aphrodite was more than just a goddess of physical beauty. She possessed a deep understanding of the complexities of love and relationships. She believed in the power of true love, guiding mortals to find their soulmates and experience the transformative power of love's embrace. One day, as Aphrodite strolled along the shores of a beautiful island, she heard the whispers of a mortal named Psyche. The mortal spoke of a love so profound and all-encompassing that it surpassed all earthly boundaries. Intrigued by Psyche's devotion, Aphrodite decided to test her commitment. Aphrodite summoned her son Eros, the mischievous god of love, and instructed him to use his enchanted arrows to make Psyche fall in love with the most unworthy of suitors. However, when Eros laid his eyes on Psyche, he himself fell deeply in love with her. Eros, smitten by her purity and beauty, visited Psyche under the cover of darkness, ensuring their love remained a secret. Psyche, consumed by curiosity, decided to uncover her lover's true identity, despite Eros's warning. As Aphrodite discovered Psyche's pursuit of truth, she unleashed her wrath upon the mortal. Aphrodite imposed a series of seemingly impossible tasks upon Psyche, hoping to break her spirit and prove that mortal love was unworthy of divine affection. Psyche, fueled by her unwavering love for Eros, bravely faced each challenge. With the aid of magical creatures and the intervention of other gods, Psyche completed the tasks set before her, proving her devotion and inner strength. Impressed by Psyche's resilience, Aphrodite's heart softened, and she realized the depth of love that Psyche and Eros shared. She acknowledged the purity of their bond and granted Psyche immortality, allowing her to join Eros as a goddess. From that day forward, Aphrodite became a guiding force for all who sought love. She bestowed her blessings upon lovers, inspiring them to cherish and nurture their relationships. Her divine influence brought forth harmonious unions and the realization of true love's potential. Aphrodite's story serves as a reminder that love encompasses not only physical attraction, but also a profound connection of the soul. She teaches us that love is not without challenges, but it is through perseverance, understanding, and unwavering devotion that we can unlock the transformative power of love and experience its boundless beauty. Part 5. 3 Strategies for Personal Transformation. Tapping into the power of the Aphrodite archetype. Strategy 1. Cultivating self-love and inner beauty. A transformative strategy is to cultivate self-love and embrace your inner beauty in your personal development journey. Practice self-care and self-compassion, prioritizing your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Embrace your unique qualities and celebrate your strengths. Engage in activities that make you feel beautiful and confident, such as self-expression through fashion or art. Strategy 2. Embracing sensuality and creative expression. Aphrodite embodies sensuality, pleasure, and creative expression. Explore activities that engage your senses, such as dancing, cooking, or enjoying beautiful scents and tastes. Embrace your sensual nature and cultivate a healthy relationship with your body. Engage in creative pursuits that ignite your passion and allow you to express yourself authentically. Strategy 3. Embracing connection. Understand that everything in the universe is interconnected, including our thoughts, emotions, and relationships. Cultivate meaningful connections with others, fostering empathy, compassion, and understanding. Recognize that your thoughts and intentions have the potential to influence and impact others. Strive for a healthy balance of giving and receiving, ensuring that relationships are mutually beneficial. Cultivate fairness and equality in your interactions, valuing the needs and boundaries of both yourself and others. Part 6. Why it is important to undertake a ritual or visualization. Neuroscience teaches us about the plasticity of our brains, emphasizing the impact of focused intention and repetitive practice on reshaping neural pathways. Moreover, quantum physics suggests that at the fundamental level, everything is composed of vibrating energy fields, interconnected in a vast web of potentiality. By engaging in rituals and visualizations, we enter a state of focused intention and coherence, enabling us to connect with the quantum realm and interact with the subtle energies linked to these goddess archetypes. By combining the ancient wisdom of goddess mythology with modern scientific knowledge, we tap into our own transformative power, fostering harmony among our mind, body, and spirit. Ritual steps. 1. Reflect on what qualities or aspects of Aphrodite you wish to connect with or honor during the ritual. It could be love, beauty, sensuality, creativity, or any other attribute that resonates with you. 2. Create a specific area where you can perform your ritual. Cleanse the space physically by tidying up and energetically by burning incense, sage, or using any other preferred method of purification. Decorate the space with flowers, seashells, images, or statues of Aphrodite, and any other items that symbolize love and beauty to you. 3. Light a candle and recite a prayer or invocation, calling upon the goddess to join you in the ritual. Prepare offerings to honor Aphrodite, such as flowers, sweet scents, or objects that hold personal significance. 4. Enter a meditative state to connect with the energy of Aphrodite. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and visualize the presence of Aphrodite surrounding you. Allow yourself to feel her essence and embrace the qualities you wish to embody. 5. Write a love letter, compose a poem, paint, or play soothing music. Allow yourself to express your emotions and desires freely, embracing the inspiration that Aphrodite represents. 6. Express gratitude to Aphrodite for her presence and guidance during the ritual. Thank her for the blessings of love, beauty, and creativity in your life. 7. Blow out the candle, signaling the end of the ritual, and take a moment to ground yourself and integrate the experience. A final message, words of wisdom from Aphrodite. Love is the greatest force in the universe, capable of healing wounds, bridging divides, and igniting the fire of passion within every soul. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.